Everyone, it's me Nick and welcome back to the channel. And for today's vlog, I'm just going to share with you this in my life, especially for the weekends, since this is the first day of my rest day. And for today, I plan to go out to have a morning walk at the plaza and sasama ko si Snow, although nakahiga pa siya at the moment. I think gusto pa niyang matulog. But later, we're going to go out to walk, and it's exactly 6:58 right now in the morning of March 9th. So, yun lang. And then, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin natin for today. It's just going to be spontaneous. So, samahan nyo kami for today's vlog. Before tayo mag-walk, I just wanna show you something that we got from Jollibee. And these are the latest toys they have. And nakikitrend din sila sa mga blind boxes. So, ito yung nakuha namin. Super cute nila. We have Hello Kitty and si Karomi. And nung first, ayoko pa sanang bumili kasi I think parang mas makakamura ako sa mga regular meals na lang. But you just add some few pesos and then you get ganitong mga toys, 'di ba? Happy din sila. And you can display them anywhere in your room or maybe in your workstation. Tapos nabubuo tong mga to kasi meron siyang 6 characters na available and it's a blind box. Di mo alam kung ano yung mapipili mo dun sa 6. And we just have to complete pa yung remaining. Pwede namin sure baka kasi umulit if bibili kami ulit ng mga blind box kasi hindi mo talaga siya alam kung ano yung laman niya. But these are cute and super, di sila expensive. Maybe roughly ang ano nito is 50 pesos lang talaga because yung kasama niyang food, it's already like 50 pesos. So parang 50 pesos lang ang value nito but look at the quality. So if you're into collectibles, something like that, or toys, unboxing, I think this is worth it ng 50 pesos ng pera nyo. So just grab some while it's still available at Jollibee's. So, yun lang. Going to the plaza. So, nandito na kami sa plaza. And wala pang tao so far, hindi pa siya super init. Which is what I really like. Kaya sobrang aga kong gumising for this. Just for us to walk here and experience lang yung early morning talaga. Hanap lang kami ng pagstayan ni Snow so that we can show you what's here. So we're here in the plaza na with Snow. Lagi rin siya nagpupunta dito kapag late in the afternoon. Kasi meron mga food market dito sa labas ng plaza. And pag gusto naming magmerienda, doon kami bumibili. Pagkita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung itsura ng plaza namin. Yan siya. So sobrang lawak niya. 'Di ba? And meron ditong mga nag-exercise kapag morning and even late in the afternoon. Medyo konti pa yung tao right now kasi umaga pa. Pero later I think kapag pahapon na, kapag meron na mga nagtitinda dyan ng mga pagkain sa labas, dadami na yung mga tao. Sana hindi sobrang init today kasi yung weather right now sobrang init na dahil pa summer na talaga. Pero ang ganda pa rin ng weather. Super clear weather today. Ayun, gusto ko sana mag-walking talaga, brisk walking saka jogging. Pero I don't think magagawa ko yun nakasama ko si Snow kasi bubuhatin ko siya for sure. Or kung ibababa ko naman siya, baka madudumihan yung paa niya. So nandito lang siya right now, nakaupo. Wala lang, para maiba lang yung weekend, start ng weekend niya. Kasi laging sa bahay lang kami kapag meron akong work. So, ganun lang yung routine namin. Tapos pag weekends, then lang kami nakakalabas ng bahay para pumunta ng mga malls or what. Pero usually lumalabas naman kami every time para lumabas, pumunta ng park. Ganun lang. Lipat kami ng pwesto kasi sobrang ingay din sa pwesto namin. Meron mga tao na nagtatambay din sa plaza. So, hanap kami ng pwesto dito, guys. Medyo umaaraw na pero hindi pa naman super init sa balat. Nandito na kami sa new spot ni Snow and mas hindi mainit dito. Although mas malapit sa road kaya medyo mas maingay. So, pasensya na kung medyo maingay yung background. Ayan, daming nagja-jogging sa plaza today. Sobrang ingay yata dito. Kailangan yata lumipat pa tayo ulit. Ingay. So, I think lilipat kami ulit ng pwesto. Pero we'll see. Saan ba tayo pwede? Maingay talaga sa plaza. Sorry guys. Ayan. I think nakakancel naman ng microphone yung ingay dito sa plaza. So dito na lang kami. Although madaming tao na, madami kasing nagwo-walk ng ganitong oras. Pero hindi naman namin masusolot. Hindi naman sa amin to. So it's okay. Para lang makapag-unwind lang dito. Pero one of these days, baka mag-ano din ako. Mag-exercise din talaga ako. Kaso, hindi ko siya magagawa na nandito si Snow. Baka ma-hassle lang kaming dalawa. So, later today, hindi ko pa alam kung anong gagawin. Baka mag-cafe kami, yes. So, sasamahan nyo kami ulit later. Sige, maglalakad-lakad muna kami ni Snow. Wait lang. So, we are now back home and parang mas hiningal ako na buhatin si Snow kaysa sa mag-walking. Pero parang walking na rin naman siya. And nagstay kami doon for at least an hour plus the walking na papunta and pauwi. And maybe next time baka ako na lang yung magwo-walk somewhere else na hindi masyadong mas madami yung tao. Meron pang ibang spots dito sa place namin na pwedeng mag brisk walking or jogging. But that's for another vlog na lang. So yun, sobrang calming lang na pumunta ng plaza early in the morning. Actually, mas gusto ko pa nga yung super early, like 6 a.m. siguro. Kasi kanina past 7 AM na yon, so medyo madami ng mga tao na nag-exercise doon saka nagtatambay. But, it was still a good experience. Super calming lang kasi sobrang dami ng mga halaman sa plaza. Though maingay lang dahil nasa gitna siya ng town. So madaming mga dumadaan na mga tricycle, mga motor, gano'n. So, yep. Si Snow hindi siya napagod. Parang wala lang sa kanya, nag-enjoy lang siya. Ayun lang guys. So mag-aalmusal lang ako and then later, samahan niyo kami ulit. Ay, share ko lang pala na hindi ako nagbe-breakfast tuwing morning but most of the time, if hindi ako nagbe-breakfast, I just take this drink and it's barley. Hindi to sponsored but I just bought it from my own money from TikTok. And this year, I really wanna invest more sa health ko. I mean, even in the past years naman, since pandemic, sobrang nagiging health conscious na ako, like less sugar sa mga drinks, ganon. And then less carbs, less salty, ganon. Lahat less oil. So ito yung una kong iniinom every morning. And naubos ko na yung 1 pack nito. Ito siya. And 7 yung laman niya, 7 sachets. So medyo pricey lang siya. Pero I think it's FDA approved and it's organic. But this is not sponsored. Kung gusto nyo lang bumili guys and mag-start ng health journey nyo, healthier journey nyo this year. Ito. So I'm just gonna mix this with water and then iinumin ko siya. So tapos ko nang gawin yung drink and ito yung itsura niya. Super green niya. Hindi masama yung lasa nito. Subtle lang yung pait. Sakto lang. So yan guys, gawa na yung drink natin. And hindi masama yung lasa nito. Na-try ko na siya ng ilang beses. So far, hindi ko pa masabi yung effect niya, like the benefits kanon. Pero I think since greens naman to, it's healthy naman siguro. So, yun siya. Diba? Hindi na makikita. Mga matapon na. So, I'm just gonna drink this. Naubos ko na yung drink and hindi naman masama yung lasa niya. But like I said, kung gusto nyo ng medyo mas tolerable siya, lagyan nyo na lang ng honey or konting sugar lang para healthy pa rin naman siya. And because of that, I bought another pack of this drink para talagang matest ko kung anong effect niya because I really want to improve my health this year. Even in the past years naman, I was really uh, working hard to be healthy, eating healthy. But, yun, syempre hindi pa rin natin maiwasan yung kakain tayo ng something that we crave, something sweet, something salty. So, kailangan super balance or dapat mas madami pa nga yung healthy na kinakain natin dahil ang dali na lang ngayon magkasakit and ang gastos pa magkasakit, 'di ba? So, you have to invest in your health if you wanna reap the benefits, guys. So, after this, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Maybe I'll just rest until later. And then, lalabas pa kami later ni Snow. So, stay pa kayo, guys. And see you. Bye-bye. Hello. So, hapon na. It's already 4:05 p.m. So, our plan is to visit a cafe dito lang sa town. Cafe Vicencio. So, recommend lang siya ng pinsan ko. So, let's see what's there, kung ano yung food nila and kung maganda yung cafe. And sasama si Snow again with me. And nag-pack na ako ng mga gamit namin. So, yun. So, I'll see you there sa cafe. So, we ordered nachos. And then we have carbonara as well. And then drinks, chocolate and biscoff. And Belgian chocolate cake. So let's eat. Let's try the carbonara. Mm, sarap. Hindi siya masyadong may butter. Ano? I'm gonna try the drink. This is biscoff without coffee. It tastes like biscoff with biscoff, I think. Biscoff sauce. Ay, hindi. Parang may biscoff biscuit siya. Na crush. A little bit sweet. But it's good. Let's try the nachos. Ang dami yung serving ng nachos nila. Medyo maalat yung cheese sauce nila. So, yon. Yung food is good. The carbonara, I think it's 8 out of 10 or 8.5 out of 10. Yung nachos lang, I think the only thing na hindi ko gusto is yung sauce niya. Kasi sobrang alat for me. This drink, okay naman siya kasi may ice siya. Though, If walang ice, matamis siya. So, sakto lang. Hindi pa namin natatry is itong chocolate Belgian na I thought Belgian is yung white na something but ano pala siya? Chocolate talaga siya. So yun, maganda yung ambience dito. Sobrang calming ng environment. And maganda sana dun sa may uh, outdoor area nila. Although, naka-reserve daw siya for a family event. So, hindi natin mapupuntahan. Though, videohan ko na lang para makita nyo sa vlog. Try na natin yung Belgian chocolate lava cake. Belgian lava. Konti lang kasi mukha siyang matamis. Matamis nga siya. Yung sweetness level niya is 11 out of 10. Pang ano to, sweet tooth. Parang hindi ko siya preferred na ganito yung level of sweetness niya. Ano masasabi mo sa Food Snow? Nasarapan ka ba? Wala kang mapili, no? Hindi mo kasi makain yung mga food. So, ito yung sa labas. And cornfields yung nandyan. Maganda sana dyan magstay, oh. Super cozy and aesthetic yung ambience. If nasa labas. That's the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Life with Nick. And I'll see you on our next one. Bye!